Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Today I will be reviving and refreshing this lace front I am holding. Those of you who have watched my video on how to make your wigs or lace fronts last longer will understand why this hair is in two braids. Those who haven't watched, go watch that first and then come back. Now let's get into the video. First, I am going to put my wig in a big bowl and flip it inside out to make sure that the cap is definitely getting thoroughly cleansed as well. Now, I'm going to use Dawn Ultra Platinum to cleanse this unit. I, as well as some other professional stylists, like to use this particular Dawn dish detergent on units that's more dense and has more volume. Because sometimes units that are more dense and has more volume retain oils and dirt more than units that are less dense and has less volume. Now that I have hot water in the bowl, I am going to rub the soap all over the lace front just to make sure that the Dawn Platinum is deep inside the hair and the cap while it's soaking. Now I'm going to let it soak for about an hour and a half. You can soak your lace front for as long as you want. An hour and a half has passed and a lot of dirt and oils that was in this unit has lifted. So I'm going to pour the dirty water out and rinse the lace front with hot water just to make sure that the wig is free of dirt and oils. So now I'm going to squeeze the water out of the lace front. Pay attention to how I am not twisting the lace front. I am carefully squeezing the water out by squeezing the lace front piece by piece. If you want to know why I do it like that, watch my videos on how to make your wigs and lace fronts last longer. Usually, I let my lace fronts air dry overnight, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to blow dry it. Now that the lace front is clean and smelling good and finally dry, I'm going to install it with no glue. Y'all can visit my website at arianasbeautyzone.glossgenius.com. That is where you can also book a hair appointment with me. Until next time.